Today I am going to scan the engine light on my car with the BlueDriver OBD II Scan tool. I bought this from Amazon for $120. Now let's set up the scan tool and see what's going on with the vehicle. Now get your phone, go to App Store or Play Store if you have an Android, download the BlueDriver app. Now we have the app. Now we need to find the vehicle's OBD2 port and it will look something like this, which is usually located under the dash. Plug the scan tool in. Turn the key on. Go to settings, click Bluetooth, wait until your scan tool name appears on the screen. As you can see, it doesn't show up, so I unplugged and plugged the scan tool back again. Now it shows up, click connect. Now we connected. Let's go to the BlueDriver app and click read codes. Then click check engine light. Now we scan the engine control module. The code I have P2413, which means there is something wrong with the EGR system on this vehicle. Now we have a direction to diagnose and fix this issue. And that's how you scan your vehicle with BlueDriver. And thank you for watching.